Hey, what's up, Tree World? My name is Andrew Giordano. I own and operate Bottom to Top Tree Service, and I'm a contract climber out of Goose Creek, South Carolina. Just going over some reviews today for TreeStuff.com. This is the Trango carabiner knife. It locks on the carabiner, so it doesn't open when you have a carabiner through that hole. Really cool little tool to keep on your harness, just in case you need a knife and you don't have a handsaw. In case of like an emergency or any real reason that you need a knife, but real inexpensive, but a nice little tool to add. I always keep mine on my harness just in case. Like I said, you never know when you need a knife, and then you always got a backup knife. But it's really cool. It stays out of the way, and like I said, it doesn't open when it's on a carabiner. So it's a really cool safety safety feature that it's got right there, that it can't open while it's on the carabiner. So it stays out of the way. There's no sides that are sticking out or sharp or anything like that. So really cool little product right there by Trango. That knife, really cool. Definitely get one for your saddle.